Greetings, fellow knowledge enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we embark on a transformative journey that combines the joy of teaching with the thrill of earning passive income. In this fast-paced digital era, online education has become a driving force, empowering individuals to share their expertise with a global audience. If you possess a wealth of knowledge and a passion for imparting wisdom, join us as we explore the art of creating and monetizing online courses to generate passive income while making a positive impact on countless lives. Part 1. The evolution of education and the rise of online courses. The world of education has undergone a profound metamorphosis, and the advent of the internet has revolutionized learning forever. Traditional brick-and-mortar institutions no longer have a monopoly on knowledge dissemination. Online courses have emerged as a powerful force, democratizing education and breaking down geographical barriers. Learners from all walks of life now have the freedom to pursue their interests, upgrade their skills, and achieve personal growth at their convenience. Part 2. Unleashing your expertise through online courses. The journey to creating a successful online course starts with tapping into your passion and expertise. Reflect on your unique skills, experiences, and knowledge areas that have the potential to impact others positively. Whether you are a seasoned professional, a hobbyist with niche expertise, or an industry expert, your valuable insights can be transformed into a transformative learning experience for your future students. To begin, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Understand their pain points, desires, and goals to tailor your course content accordingly. By establishing a strong connection with your learners, you can deliver a highly personalized and impactful learning experience. Part 3. Crafting an engaging and effective online course. Creating an online course involves meticulous planning and a thoughtful approach. Structure your course into well-defined modules and lessons, ensuring a logical flow of information. Incorporate a variety of engaging multimedia elements such as video lectures, interactive quizzes, practical exercises, and downloadable resources. These dynamic components will enhance learner engagement and reinforce understanding. Additionally, consider adopting diverse teaching methodologies, catering to various learning styles. While some learners thrive with visual aids, others prefer auditory or kinesthetic learning. Strive to make your course accessible and inclusive for everyone. Part 4. Choosing the right platform and marketing your course. With your course content ready, it's time to select the ideal platform to host your masterpiece. Conduct thorough research on e-learning platforms that align with your course objectives, target audience, and pricing preferences. Some popular choices include self-hosted options like Teachable and Thinkific, or marketplace platforms like Udemy and Coursera. Next comes the exciting phase of marketing your course to attract eager learners. Craft a compelling course title and description that convey the unique value your course offers. Invest in creating an attention-grabbing promotional video that showcases your teaching style and the benefits learners can expect from your course. Leverage the power of social media and content marketing to reach a wider audience. Engage with potential learners through blog posts, podcasts, webinars, and captivating infographics. Engaging content and consistent communication will establish your credibility as an educator and foster a sense of community among your audience. Part 5. The art of monetizing your online course. Monetization is a vital aspect of turning your expertise into passive income. Choose a pricing model that aligns with your course's value and your target audience's budget. Options include offering a one-time purchase option, tiered pricing with additional perks, or a subscription-based model for ongoing access. Consider bundling your course with related resources or offering upsells to increase the perceived value of your offering. Creating irresistible bonus content can entice potential learners to opt for premium packages. Part 6. Cultivating a loyal community and continuous improvement. The success of your online course depends not only on its content, but also on the relationships you build with your learners. Cultivate a supportive and interactive community around your course through discussion forums, live Q&A sessions, and peer networking opportunities. Engaging with your learners not only enhances the learning experience, but also fosters a sense of belonging, leading to increased student satisfaction and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Continuous improvement is the key to keeping your online course relevant and appealing. Regularly update your course content to reflect the latest industry trends, technological advancements, and feedback from learners. Embrace a growth mindset and be open to refining your teaching methodologies based on the evolving needs of your students. Congratulations, passionate educators and aspiring entrepreneurs. You have now unlocked the secrets to creating and monetizing online courses to generate passive income while making a meaningful impact on learners worldwide. Embrace your expertise, harness the power of digital platforms, and embark on a journey of empowerment and financial growth. The path ahead is filled with endless possibilities, and the world eagerly awaits the transformation you will bring to the lives of your students. So, seize the opportunity, embark on your teaching adventure, and let your knowledge shine as a beacon of inspiration in the vast ocean of online education. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration of the world of online courses and passive income generation. If you're ready to dive deeper into the realm of education, entrepreneurship, and financial success, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Remember, the journey of imparting knowledge is boundless, and together, we can empower minds and change lives through the magic of online education. Until next time, happy teaching and learning.